Yeah, it's ridiculous to jack it up.
I live next to the flower shop. Man, that's it.
Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
All right.
You're kind of quiet, but yeah, we can hear you.
My computer was echoing, so every time you guys spoke, it got louder and louder, and so I had to change some
Okay,
settings.
You're good now. We can hear you good.
Okay. Cool. So, are you guys? Is it open? The quiz for you guys?
Yeah.
It's open.
Okay. So, question 3: did you just enter it into the equation?
Yeah. What'd you get?
I haven't done it yet. I was trying to look for the equation, but I kept finding it.
It's the d value divided by n over the square root of n. So I think the
Oh,
answer
okay.
is 2, but I'm not sure.
So it's just the difference
Yeah.
over the sample size.
Because what it is, it's d bar minus 0 over sd over the square root of n.
Over SD over the square root of n. Oh, okay.
Standard deviation over
So the
square
standard
root of
deviation.
sample
Okay,
size.
so 2.2 divided by parentheses 3.3 divided by square root of 9. So 2?
Yeah, that's what I got. I hope it's right.
Are you there, Curtis?
I was adjusting. I had to open up SPS through the VMR stuff, VMware.
Yeah, mine just closed on me.
I'm on 3 now.
Awesome.
Forever
Yeah,
to get to
so
VMware, or to get to SPSS.
I need to write that down. And then the probability.
You just use the applet for number 4, right?
Yep.
You get.
And the alternative. So you just shade the middle, right?
Well, it says the probability in attaining a test statistic is greater than Jordan's test statistic. I can't say statistic very well. It says the probability of attaining it is greater, or is it greater than Jordan's statistic
okay.
is 0.04. So don't you just put that in and shade to the right?
Yes, that makes sense.
Have any of you guys taken organic chemistry?
I have.
I took a quiz the other day, dude.
Yeah?
I got 9 out of 10.
Dude, that's good. It's a good day when you get anything over 90%.
Why can't I edit anything?
All right, I got 2 for my 3.
So
Cool,
did
that's what we got.
Either we're all wrong or we're all right.
Yeah.
I hope we're all right.
For some reason, I'm not
4,
being
I
able
got
to read the applet.
0.484.
Probability.
It's not letting me change the shaded areas for some reason.
Really? Now you're having all the problems
Yeah.
with that stuff. Last week you wouldn't let me do it.
I know. What the heck?
Let me know what you get, Curtis.
I got 1.747.
How did you get that?
hold on. The probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic. I hate that word.
I do
Is
too.
0.0403 uses probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis. I just put it into the applet.
You put 0.0403 in the applet and you shade to the right, right?
I did.
Are you sure you put in 0.0403?
Yep. I'm getting 1.747.
Because I'm getting 0.484.
Yeah. So shade to the right.
0.0403.
1.747.
Why am I not getting it?
That's what I got.
Are you shading the middle as well?
Oh, I'm not. That is why. Hold on.
So I got the same thing as Tyler.
Okay. Cool.
Okay,
3 different browsers.
1.747.
Did you get it?
Yeah. I just had to. My middle bar was so skinny, so I had to put a different value in there to make the middle bar fat so I could shade it, and then I had to put the other thing back in.
Got it.
Gotcha.
I hate the applet.
Yeah. So I'm using Firefox to be able to copy and paste things, like the links.
Oh, because you
I'm
can.
using.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because there's a plugin for Firefox that allows you to do it.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, it's like called Write to Copy or something like that. It's a plugin. I think there might be one for Chrome. I have to look, but I'm using Chrome for the chatting with you, and then the applet wasn't working on either browser, so I had to open up Edge. So
Nice.
Oh my God.
Nice.
So, hey guys, when you're plugging it into the SPS, how do you do the double instead of just the one? You just put both of them over?
Yeah. You put the group 1 first and then the group 2 next.
Gotcha. And then you put in for the test value, you do 0, correct?
yes.
Yeah. Like, I didn't even mess
So-
with it.
Yeah, so if you're doing the t-sample way, you have to do the differences first. If you're just doing the paired sample t-test, then you don't have to do anything. You just enter in group 1 minus or with the group 2 is second, and then press OK.
Yeah, 'cause
Okay.
that's what it says. Be sure that the test is group 1 minus group 2.
Okay, and what that means is just make sure you put group 1 in first.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I got
on the bottom. It'll say group 1 minus group 2.
on the bottom. I'm getting 2 values, dude. So you go to analyze, right? And you do compare means,
Yeah.
and then you do 1 sample t-test, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
you put both groups over, and then
Group 1,
and then you
Paired
hit
samples
go,
t-test?
group 2.
and then you hit OK.
Oh, is that not what you said?
Oh no, I didn't.
Wait, did you not do?
You want a paired
Oh, yeah.
samples.
That's where I'm going wrong.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I thought I heard you say 1. I was like, yeah, no, go to the bottom. The paired samples t-test.
So variable 1 would be group 1, variable 2 would be group 2.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep.
That's looking better. Where is it?
Oh.
Oh, there it is. Wait, no, no, there it is.
If you scroll down the way to the bottom, it says
There it
paired
is.
samples test.
Gotcha. Okay, so for 5, I got 0.407.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
P-value, hold on, is this? Yeah, so it's just straight graph. Okay, so that one I got 0.689.
Correct.
Yep.
And then I would do fail to reject.
Yep.
Then if it was greater than, you divide it by 2, and we'd have like 0.344. 0.344. So it still
And it's
failed.
still above 0.1. So
Yeah. And so for that one, did you put the second one then?
yeah, we have insufficient evidence, obviously.
Cool.
That's what I think.
So we have insufficient evidence that the mean of the difference is greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
For number 9, it's n.
Okay, that's what I did too.
I'm a coming.
Yeah, because now you have to put in the second data set. Wait. Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I'll just do the same thing.
Did you work out today, Tyler?
Did he
No.
work today?
2
Tyler
days in a
works
row,
out
except for
every
today.
day.
Yeah.
I
Well,
didn't
yeah,
see
we
you
keep on
today.
running into each other. Except Jason kind of lifts a lot more than me. He kind of has big, beefy, manly arms.
Oh, stop it.
I'm here with my 5 pounds.
It's all just about putting in the time, man. I've been doing this for a
Yeah,
while.
that. And I did find a dealer online that sells testosterone. If you're
Yeah.
interested.
I think I'm good to go on that. Talk to me when I'm like 45.
Yeah.
Why wait, right?
Exactly.
True, might as well get it in now.
So they did a study with rabbits, and so
Uh-huh.
they had a control group, which was just normal rabbits doing their normal daily activity. Then they had sedentary rabbits. Then they had sedentary rabbits on testosterone, and then they had active rabbits on testosterone, right? And the sedentary testosterone rabbits still beat out the normal active rabbits.
What is that?
So not doing anything, being on testosterone makes you gain more lean muscle than doing something.
Why was that then?
Good question. No, I got N for the next one.
Okay.
And then
0.001.
p-value, I got 0.001.
Yep.
Then we reject.
Yeah, you
Then-
reject the null.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Yeah, reject the null. You guys said reject the null, right?
Yeah.
This agenda was decrease.
Yeah. Still
And-
rejecting.
What decision?
Still have to reject the null.
Based on your response, what conclusion do you make? We have sufficient evidence that there is a mean difference between the two groups. Was that our hypothesis?
For number 14, it's the third one, right?
That's what I put. Because the alternative hypothesis would suggest that there is a difference.
Yeah.
So not equal to 0.
So we say that there is a difference.
Yeah, because the
You have to
p-value is
say,
more than alpha.
So number 15 confused me.
Same here. That's what I'm looking at.
hold on.
Is it
Don't
less
say
than or
anything. Let me try and
greater
figure it out.
Because it would be
Obviously,
both
no,
less
it's
than
not the
greater
first
than.
one. I don't think it's the third one because it's never that one. Or maybe in this case, that's the one time that it depends on the problem.
What?
Right? Because either way, it's a one-tailed test, so you divide in the p-value.
Either B or D.
Yeah, it's it the third one or is it the second or fourth one? Like, there's nothing in the notes that says less than is smaller or greater than is smaller.
It's 'cause it's not. I guess we can have one of us submit it, and then we can see if it's right.
It's a
Yeah,
good
I'm just
idea.
gonna
Each
put
of
the
us
third
choose a
one.
different one. Let me go back and fix it.
Mm.
No. Should we just go with not enough information?
Yeah, I'll do that one. That's
You'll
what I'm
bite the
gonna go
bullet?
with.
I'm gonna do the difference is less than 0.
Well, okay, I'll do the difference is greater. But let's just turn the most likely one in first. That way,
I'll
only
turn
one
mine in,
person
and
has to
then we'll
redo it.
see.
In
we're
general, what type
lucky.
of the hypothesis would go the smallest?
What did you guys get for
Yeah.
16?
Um,
11.955.
And then is the margin of error the 3.199?
oh,
Margin-
margin was close.
margin
What was
of
it?
Just your upper and lower.
Again?
The margin of error is just your upper minus your lower.
Oh, really? Wouldn't that be 11.59? Let's
We'll
see.
find out. 13.304.
Margin of error is upper minus lower divided by 2.
Oh, divided by 2.
So 6.652?
6.652.
Was it?
That's right.
6.652.
Good catch.
Yeah, it's that stupid dividing by 2, man. I'm telling you. Get you.
Well, it's almost like you have to remember the equation, the plus or minus thing.
Oh,
What was 16?
16.
11.955?
11 point what?
11.955.
What?
Thank you.
955?
Yeah. Right? What did you get? It
Oh,
says the
yeah.
time
I just didn't put.
for number 16.
Yeah. I got 11.955.
Okay.
My VMware closed, and so I don't have the data anymore while we were talking.
And put
No
the
worries.
lower bound.
So the lower bound is what?
5.503.
5.503.
Yeah.
No.
and the upper is
No.
wait 5.303. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I can't talk.
5.303. Okay.
Upper
Correct.
is 18.607.
18.607.
Okay, who wants to bite the bullet?
I will. Hold on, she's a little slow because I'm in VMware still. Submit, dang it. There we go.
That's definitely Tyler.
Everything's right, but I missed one. Hold on. Which one did I miss?
Was it 15?
No, it was like number 4. It's not 1.747.
Wait, so 15 is there's not enough
15
information?
is not enough. It's depends on the problem. But number 4 is wrong.
Number 4, 1.747 is wrong.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 0.484. That's what I'm gonna go with.
0.484. How'd you get that then?
Because I put 0.0403 in the right side of the score. and then I just shaded to the right of it. I don't know.
Bob.
But it says it's the probability. It doesn't say it's the test statistic.
Probably obtain a test.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I see what you're saying, like putting it in the top, but obviously we didn't do that right. So
Okay, the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is 0.04.
one thing's for sure, I'm getting out of VMware. Steals.
Use this probability to determine the p-value.
0.747.
Okay, let's think this through.
So when you put it in on the area up top, the 0.0403 and shade to the right, you get
You get 1.747, yeah, for sure.
okay. Then how did you get the 0.484?
I put it in the right and shaded to the right. I don't know. That's the only other thing I can think of.
I can think of one other way we could do something. So I think it wants us to use the data and the equation and then solve for t. Does that make sense? So
Well,
we
test this
use the t-score that we got, which was 1.747, and then we plug it back into the equation to figure out what the other ones were. Does that make sense?
Yeah. We could do that. Actually.
The probability of obtaining a t greater than Jordan is 0.0. I have no idea, guys.
How do you show again? How do you pull up your past quizzes?
Go to the quizzes tab up top,
Yeah, I did that.
and then you have to click on the, when you find the quiz you want, you have to click on the little triangle, the downwards triangle.
Oh, that's right. Thanks.
Well, guys, I think I might just bite the bullet on this one. Use this probability. So it's a probability. So I feel like we need to use the probability applet in order to find out the t-score. So then we find out the t-score is 1.747. And then it's asking us for another test statistic. Now it's asking us for another p-value.
So 0.0403.
Oh, wait. Hold on. So it's saying the probability of attaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic. Is that one-sided or is that double-sided? We look at greater than and we assume it is.
If it's greater than, it's one-sided. Maybe you just divide that by 2.
Or we just need to shade both sides and then do the area. Because, all right, let's say we have a bigger test statistic, right? What will that do to the equation?
Wait,
You know what I mean?
Is it because we're using the wrong applet? Are we supposed to be using the T?
I'm gonna give it a shot, Tyler. Don't do anything.
Okay. I think we're using the wrong applet. Because this is for the Z-score. There's a T-score applet.
Well, there is. How come it
No,
didn't
there's
have it on our
not.
quiz?
I got a, so I have an email here. One second. I was scratching my head at it for a little bit, but now it makes sense. So brother
Hey,
Wilcox.
quite a few people struggle with homework quiz 11. Part of the problem, at least concerning number 1, is that the wrong applet was linked in the instructions.
That's stupid.
That's quiz 11, but I wonder if it happened again.
Okay. Well, that's nice to know.
Way to go, teacher.
All right, I got it up. So we still want to shade to the right, probably,
Yeah, I would say so.
and then
Shade to the right.
let's see.
0.04.
Weird.
And the degrees of freedom, how many degrees of freedom is it?
I think 21.
Degrees of freedom looks like our n was 9, so our degrees of freedom is 8.
Oh, you're right. I was thinking of the very end. Sorry. I was thinking of the data set too.
0.0403. So 1.999.
That's what I got. Who wants
Let's
to give
submit
it a
Who
shot?
cares?
I'll try it. So that's okay. Submit quiz. I hate that you have to like submit it like 3 times.
Yeah, it's like I'm sure. I'm still sure.
It's still not too late to go back. They're like,
You sure? You're sure? It's like on the third confirmation. I'm like, oh wait, I do want to go back.
No, that's not it either.
That's not the answer.
No, but I guess I did it round. I just did 1.999.
It says round to the nearest decimal place, and that is. Okay,
2.
I got one more shot at this.
the probability of
Put your
around
heads
3
together,
decimals,
guys. Another
Ah.
option is 2.444.
I'm doing it.
What?
I'll submit it.
You're doing 2.444? No, let me do it because you're done after this one.
Yeah, but I don't want to. I'm tired of this. Like, if I get it wrong here, I'm done. I don't have to rack my brain.
So
Okay, should I give it a shot?
That's not it, by the way.
It's not 2.444.
It's all right. I'm happy with the 95%. Like, don't worry.
Did we get our degrees of freedom wrong? Degrees of freedom is our degrees of freedom is n minus 1, correct?
Yeah. You better get a 20 now.
Well, I've used up all my ideas. Okay, n was 9. Then we minus 1, 8 degrees of freedom, area on both sides. Yeah, I don't know what else we could have done. The probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than the Jordan test statistic is 0.0403. All right, I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to try shading the middle.
Why not, right?
Do you have a better idea, Tyler?
No. I wonder if we're using the. I don't know. No. Because if we did that, so we use the 0.0403, right, and shaded to the right, we get a test statistic. And then if we rework the equation from 1.999, no, I don't know. Yeah, I give up.
I'm gonna try one more. 0.052.
All right. Let her rip.
It's gonna be wrong.
I hope he just takes that question off because it's not fair.
Yeah.
I got it right. No,
What?
I just
Fine.
didn't really get it right.
Okay. Well, it's been fun.
Yeah.
Yep.
Until Thursday,
Thanks, guys.
Sorry we didn't get it all right this time.
No worries, it's fine. All right. Well, enjoy time with your girlfriend and wife. Respect.
Yeah, you.
Not at the same time.
You as well. How'd you know I had both? Have a good one.
No worries. See you
Okay,
guys.
bye guys.